Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with HSBC Kinetic Business Account Review My Usage Experience. HSBC Kinetic Business Account Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive online portal for business account holders to review their transactions, analyze spending patterns, and manage their finances. It's targeted at small to medium-sized businesses using HSBC's Kinetic business accounts. Key features appear to include detailed transaction history, customizable reporting tools, and potentially integration with other HSBC business services. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. HSBC positions Kinetic Business Account Review as a user-friendly tool for enhanced financial oversight. It emphasizes ease of use and clear reporting, aiming for transparency and efficiency. While specific pricing isn't explicitly advertised on their site, it's implied to be included as part of the Kinetic Business Account package. Availability is naturally limited to existing HSBC Kinetic Business Account holders. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using HSBC Kinetic Business Account Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. After logging into my online banking, finding the review portal was intuitive. The interface itself is clean and well organized. Navigating through transaction history was a breeze, and I quickly generated a custom report detailing my expenses over the past quarter. This allowed me to easily identify areas where I could potentially cut costs. The performance was consistently reliable. I never experienced any lag or glitches during my usage. I had a quick question about exporting data to a spreadsheet, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the customizable reporting options. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Accessing the portal on my phone required using the mobile browser, which wasn't as convenient. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the HSBC Kinetic Business Account Review. It's a powerful tool that significantly improves my ability to manage my business finances. That's my overview of HSBC Kinetic Business Account Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.